Apparently, it's impossible not to burp whilst drinking Sprite. This is too easy. I mean, I've done it all on this channel. I've worn 50 shirts for 50 hours.
He is not okay.
I've recorded the highest Fortnite win. I want to get this stuff so bad and get off this mountain. Not burping is like David Goggins running a mile. Yeah! All right, let's just do this. No burping.
The whole thing?
Yeah, or until you burp. Bottoms up.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Oh my gosh, it's too fizzy.
Come on, stay down.
It's coming.
What?
Big Bertha's coming.
What?
She's on her way.
What?
Peace be unto my soul. My chest hurts. Come on.
It hurts so bad.
My neck, my back.
Lick my and my crack.
A few moments later.
That's so gross. What were those noises?
Those were painful.
A few moments later.
We got a demon over here.